All right, guys. Just want to make a quick video here. I know this is not a good day for your favorite altcoins, although some altcoins are actually doing pretty good. But Cardano is definitely getting hit hard. We are under 30 cents for Cardano, and it looks like we probably will go down to that low of 24, 25 cents. I made a video yesterday. I said I was considering sending some money over to Binance and selling some of my trading bag of Cardano to put in the Litecoin, kind of like as a preservation move. I did do that. I still hold a ton of Cardano, but I kind of did get rid of my trading bag earlier today, really only at 31 cents. So I kind of wish I had done that a couple days ago, because I do think Cardano will probably go down between 28 and 25 cents. The reason for this is we're seeing a lot of fear in the market right now. Today, the thing that basically made us dump today, further under 30 cents, is this Robinhood news that Robinhood is going to delist Cardano, Polygon, and Solana. And essentially, they're just doing that because of what Binance did with the Binance when SEC came out and sued Binance, and of course they are also suing Coinbase. Now, on the positive note, Coinbase has said they are not going to delist any of these projects. They plan to fight. That means Cardano, Polygon, Solana, they're all going to be on Coinbase, and it's probably going to be years of litigation, maybe 2, 3, 4 years before we get any clarity on if Cardano is a security. But Brian Armstrong of Coinbase did do an interview, and he did say that. Okay, so Brian Armstrong from Coinbase did say they're going to fight this tooth and nail. Coinbase threatens to take SEC fight to some Supreme Court. SEC accused Coinbase in lawsuit of running an illegal exchange. Company lawyers warned enforcement action could last for years. And that's what I'm kind of thinking. This is going to drag out for years. But I do think Binance.us days are numbered. I found this article that Binance has halted trading in U.S. dollars on its U.S. exchange. Banks have signaled that they will stop working with the company's American branch, it said, after the Securities and Exchange Commission sued this week. Now, I do believe that Binance, like I said, is eventually going to be no-no. I actually just used Binance.us this morning. I sent some Cardano over to Binance.us, traded into Litecoin, and then I sent that Litecoin over to a hardware wallet. So everything is still kind of working over there, but the problem is you can't deposit USD. So I was actually kind of nervous when I did that, but I refused to pay any of the fees on Coinbase. You know, Coinbase was trying to charge me like $150 to sell like a few $1,000s worth of Cardano. It was absolutely ridiculous. So Binance charged me $6. So yeah, I had to use Binance for that. Then I basically transferred it out of there. But I do think Binance.us is absolutely finished. There's no reason that they're going to operate in the United States anymore. Binance International, on the other hand, they're going to be around forever, but it's just not worth it for them to be in the U.S. And the U.S. has pretty much made it clear that they don't want Binance here. So if you have anything on Binance, get it out of there. If you want to use Binance just to make some low-cost trades, that's great, but just don't keep anything on Binance. Okay, what else did I want to talk about? Oh, also, Crypto.com will no longer serve institutional clients in the United States after announcing the suspension of the service starting June 1st. So basically, the SEC has instilled a lot of fear. Essentially, like I said, every coin that the SEC listed, which I think was like 14 or 15 coins, and essentially they're basically just the biggest altcoins. That's the only reason they listed those coins. According to the SEC, everything is a security. Every coin is a security, according to the SEC, but they're basically just picking on the top ones because they want to start with the top and kind of work their way down. Now, they're all dumping hard. You have Cardano at 29 cents. Cardano's about to be 28 cents. It's got to stop somewhere. I think we'll probably get a bounce back up to 32 cents once we hit 28 cents, but I just wouldn't be surprised if Cardano goes back to those lows from 6 months ago or a year ago when it went down to 25 cents. If Cardano goes under 20 cents, I will be buying more Cardano. As far as Litecoin is up since I bought it this morning. So it goes to show people are getting out of some coins and other coins are doing better. You also had the Litecoin halving in a couple months. Solana was down to like $16 last time I saw it, which I can even find Solana on the list here. Yes, $17. So essentially every coin that was listed by the SEC is dumped like 10% today. So not too great. But look, guys, I believe this is short-term FUD. I'm still overall bullish on Cardano and everything like that. I do think that we are going to have some pain, unfortunately, for at least the next week or two. We're going to hit a bottom with Cardano. Even Solana is going to hit a bottom, and then we're going to get a strong, strong bounce. Today was basically even worse than yesterday because today is when a lot of exchanges just came out of the blue and they said, oh, we're delisting Cardano. Oh, we're not allowing US-based customers anymore. And then, of course, you had Binance US saying, oh, we're not taking US dollars anymore. So it's kind of like a triple whammy, and it kind of like, I think today was like the worst day. I think we're probably going to start to recover really soon. The question is, when will the free fall stop? Okay, Cardano just dropped in the 28-cent range. So don't have fear right now. Like I said, guys, most of my Cardano is locked up on a hardware wallet. I had a little bit for trading, and I did just preserve that into Litecoin. But other than that, I'm looking to buy more Cardano if it goes under 20 cents. I bought a crap ton of Cardano at 24 cents, and my next buy level is under 20. If Cardano goes to 10 cents, I'll buy more, and that's kind of where I'm at. You have to be strong in these markets, guys. There's no official label on any of these coins. They're securities. You have the XRP lawsuit, which is going on right now. I read an article that people think, some of the biggest experts think there's only a 3% chance the SEC is going to win that lawsuit. Yes, there is risk. If XRP loses that lawsuit, I'm not going to sugarcoat it. It's over. It's over. Cardano's done. Okay, it's going down to 5 cents. It's going down to 10 cents. That's the risk in crypto. That's why you don't want to have all your money in one coin. I have about 30% of my portfolio, 35% maybe in Cardano, but I also have a ton of other crypto projects. Unfortunately, all of those projects will get hit hard if XRP loses that lawsuit. I don't think XRP is going to lose that lawsuit. I think it might be kind of like an in-the-middle win where they won a little bit, but also the SEC won. But like I said, it's going to take years. The SEC is going to have to sue. Even if XRP loses that lawsuit, the SEC is still going to have to sue individually each one of these projects, and it's just going to be years. And the question is this going to hamper the bull market? Is it going to delay it? Are people going to go into Bitcoin and other coins that weren't labeled securities instead? Some people might. That's why you're seeing strength now in proof of work coins, even Dogecoin's holding on strong, Bitcoin holding on strong, and Litecoin holding on strong. So, folks, that's why you want to be diversified. But if you're not going to take risks in this market, you're not going to make any money. Like I said, this is the worst day so far. The negativity out there is horrible. Everybody's upset. Everybody's pissed off. Everybody's sad. everybody's dumping their coins, but it doesn't make any sense. The SEC wants to kill every altcoin. And I mentioned this yesterday, and I want people to understand that. Just because the SEC didn't mention your stupid fucking coin doesn't mean it's not a security. There's thousands of cryptos. All of these coins are securities according to the SEC unless there was no ICO and it's proof of work. And no founder got the majority. Like, the one thing I like about Litecoin is he had to mine all of his coins. But almost 99% of all these coins are securities, and the SEC isn't going to come out and mention every single one of these coins. There's thousands of them. So it's almost like special ed, what I'm seeing right now. It's like, oh my God, the SEC only listed 14 coins. Yeah, because they're going after Binance.us. They picked the biggest trading coins on Binance.us to go after. They didn't go after lower cap coins on Binance.us that are obviously securities. I mean, you can go down the list. Even you could say Theta is a security. Theta is more of a security than Cardano because they had an ICO in the United States. So, I mean, if you want to play that game, you can play that game. But they're not going to go down to a lower cap coin like Theta. They're picking the highest caliber, most volume coins because that's how they can hurt Binance and Coinbase the most. That's what it's all about. But don't delusion yourself thinking that, oh, SEC didn't name my coin, so it must not be a security. No, odds are your coin is a security too, according to the SEC, especially if they had an ICO. I mean, and that's like 99.9% of all these coins. But like I said, good news is this is going to be 4 or 5 years in litigation. Once this blows over in a couple of days, Once Cardano finds its bottom, whether it's 25 cents, 26 cents, 27 cents, bounces back up above 30 cents, then you're going to see the markets change and things get bullish again. But yeah, we're definitely probably going to have a miserable couple of days. It could be a miserable weekend. Where's that bottom going to be for Cardano? I don't know. I really don't know. I think we're probably going to get a strong bounce right now at like 28 cents. I could see us going back up to back up over 30 cents. I don't think we can drop too much farther, but anything's possible. The low for Cardano, I believe, was 24 or 25 cents 6 months ago. We could test that low, 24, 25 cents, then pump back up to 30, 35 cents. So it's just up in the air. These are crazy times, but for me, I'm still overall, like I said, overall completely bullish, but this is why you don't want to be all in on one particular project, because when that one project gets hit hard, your portfolio really sucks. It really looks bad. But these are times to be strong. These are times to be buying the dips, whatever price point you want. I mean, Cardano's dropped like 20% over the last week. Now's not if you have no Cardano right now, now's not a bad time to pick it up. I just bought so much Cardano at 24 cents. I'm not buying any more until it goes under 20 cents. Because it just doesn't make any sense for me. But anyway, folks, that's what's going on. I know it's a somber day, Friday, things aren't looking too good. Everybody thinks crypto's over. Dude, guys, I lived through this during COVID. Everybody was calling me up, telling me crypto's over. One guy was yelling at me on the phone, one of my friends, telling me that, oh my God, it's going to be the end of the world. We're in a pandemic. Nobody's going to be buying these stupid freaking cryptocurrencies. And, listening to him, I would have made absolutely no money. So you want to buy when there's fear. And remember, folks, even if Cardano is a security confirmed in a couple years, and a lot of these other coins are, it's a big freaking world out there. It's a big freaking world out there. And Cardano is going to be in Africa, Europe, Asia countries. It's going to be all over the place. So no matter what the United States does, they can't stop it. And in 2 years, we're going to have a Republican in there in the office anyway, or we could have RFK Jr., but it's going to either be Trump, DeSantis, most likely a Republican, and then this whole thing's going to reset. And of course, Republicans are more pro-business. I've always said, I don't know how you can be a Democrat and vote and be in crypto. I mean, you're like voting against your best interest, but we get a Republican in there, they're going to be pro-business, and all these projects are going to come right back. So short-term pain. Buy the dips if you want. There is risk. Anything can go to zero. Any project can go to zero. But one interesting thing is XRP is really pumping. It's been pumping, and it makes me think there's some insiders with XRP who know that this lawsuit is ending pretty soon, and it's going to be positive for XRP. And if it's positive for XRP, Cardano's right back up to 45 cents, 50 cents, maybe even $1. Every altcoin, even like everything, every altcoin is going to go crazy. And that seems like what the whales are thinking right now, that XRP is going to win this lawsuit. So I mentioned this in the video yesterday. It really sucks that Ripple XRP is essentially controlling the whole market right now, because everybody's just waiting for that lawsuit, because it's such a shitty project in my opinion. And nobody made any money with XRP last bull run. Everybody who held it got poor, but that's what happens. We have a shit coin controlling the market right now. And I actually think XRP is a security, to be honest with you. If it's all the definition of a security, the founders gifted themselves billions of dollars or millions of dollars in XRP. How is that not a security? They made it out of thin air. They gave themselves the most of the supply. That one guy, Chris Larson, made like $100 million just giving himself XRP. XRP is like the definition of a security. So if XRP doesn't get labeled a security, none of these other altcoins can be labeled a security. All right, like and subscribe. Talk to you later.